How to use PineScript in TradingView app. As of 2025, you can't write PineScript directly inside the TradingView mobile app, but you can write and save script on desktop, then apply and view them on mobile. Step 2. Go to tradingview.com on a computer, open any chart, then scroll down and click Pine Editor tab. Here's a quick example. Click Add to Chart, then hit Save and name your script. Step 3. Open the TradingView mobile app, go to a Chart tab Indicators, then select My Scripts. You'll see your custom Pine script listed there. Tap it, and your custom indicator appears instantly. Use PineScript to build things like custom moving averages, buy and sell signal alerts, strategy backtesting. As you learn more, explore the PineScript documentation at TradingView, for example. And that's it.